Hello, my name is Cassandra Mills. Sorry that I have really bad recording quality. That's just the way my life is. It's fine. Um, but I am from Ten Sleep, Wyoming, which is a super small town, and I wanted to show you guys some pictures of that just because it's fun and we're supposed to show pictures anyways. So it's a town of 260 people, so really small. I grew up on a ranch there. My family runs cattle, and yeah, it's a lovely place. I am hoping to learn a lot just about the general development of people in this class. I'm planning on becoming a counselor for people with different mental disabilities, especially focusing on depression, anxiety, things like that. And so I think that learning more about how people develop will be a big part of that, since we know that a lot of those type of issues and things that we have tend to come from when we were younger. So I think that'll be really cool. And it's just a neat thing to be able to focus on. I think in all reality, it's going to help us with a lot of things, even with having families and stuff like that. So there's the answer to that. We have to fill up 3 minutes, which is a lot of time. So I was going to show some more random pictures of working at home. I love animals. I originally wanted to do equine therapy with people, but I might not do that. We'll see. Maybe future on someday. This describes me. I never know what to do with these videos. And I'm probably not going to record another one, so this is what you guys are going to be stuck with. And let's see if there's anything else I was supposed to say that I haven't. So I don't know. I hate the question of something interesting about myself. I grew up on a ranch, so it was pretty interesting. So like I probably rode horses before I could walk. I served a mission in Provo, Utah, Spanish speaking. So that was really neat to be able to learn more about that language and to have that experience. I love pottery. I just really like art and music and those type of things. I'm not very good at them, but I like them. I like being outdoors. I hate making videos of myself. Yeah. That's one of the directions I want to take with counseling is maybe counseling missionaries, whether it's pre or post mission or during their mission. Either way, I feel like during our mission is a time that we deal with a lot of those type of mental issues. So sorry this video is kind of all over the place, but that's me. Yeah. Looking forward to get to know you all.